Well, a very good morning. Thanks for clicking on to the Monday edition of Vogan's US Outlook. We've continued to see plenty of heavy precipitation across the drought areas of Florida and also across the south, extending up through the mid-Atlantic and the northeast. But you can see here off the GFS the total accumulated precipitation for the next 10 days. You can see here a lot of moisture for the southeast, Florida, and up into the mid-Atlantic region as well. Also across the northern tier of the country, as you would expect, down across the southwest, rather dry overall. But certainly for drought areas where we've got a very severe drought in the south central Florida, we're going to maintain this rather soggy, warm, muggy pattern through the next several days here. But you notice here as we skip right out to the end of June, there was some tremendous amounts of moisture right around Florida. So it looks as if we are going to probably say cheerio to this drought at some point in time over the next month, maybe the 6 weeks. I don't think we're going to see anything like what we've got now in terms of dry conditions. Looking at the CFSV2 weeklies, you can see here that where the rain is falling, that is where we're going to see the coolest temperatures compared to normal here. So let's look at the upcoming week. Of course, you looked at the GFS. This is of the CFS V2 weeklies, and you can see here cool extending from the northeast down through the southeast and also into Texas here. Plenty of warmth across the west, northern plain states. But like I say, where that avenue of wettest conditions is, there is no surprise that we're going to see cooler than normal conditions in response to that. The following week, we get a bit of a turnaround, if you notice here. We'll start to cool things off across the northern plains, the northern Rockies, even down across parts of Southern California, but also here across Texas, extending right through the very areas that are coolest and wettest. Week 1 will be warmer week 2. And you notice here that we've got a little bit more closer to average, really extending from San Antonio down through New Orleans, Mobile, and into the south part of Georgia here, North Florida as well. We've got temperatures a little bit more closer to average, and that could be because of continued thunderstorm activity. In the week 3, we are looking like this here. We're still going to maintain a kind of warmer than normal pattern according to the model, warming up across California, and finally week 4, which will extend right through till the end of June into July. We're going to start to see things warming up a little bit more overall. That's it today, short and sweet. Hope to have a written post later on for you this afternoon, so do check that out. Have a great Monday. Bye for now.
Daddy.